The first time I stepped on stage, my voice cracked and the crowd's laughter stung worse than any bruise. My hands shook so badly, I nearly dropped the mic, but I forced myself to finish every trembling line. That night, I promised myself their laughter wouldn't be my ending. Every week, I returned, heart pounding, voice growing steadier as my words took up more space. Over time, the crowd stopped laughing and started listening, drawn in by the courage behind my verses. Fear may have been loud at first, but determination made my poetry echo even louder.